where the hell am I driving to? I'm going to Beaver, Utah, Eagle Point. It's about 3.5 hours north of Las Vegas. We went up there for a friend's birthday and got a cabin. Had some drinks, had a good time, and did some snowboarding, obviously. But then I wanted to take the Blackstone and the pit barrel cooker up there just to see the portability of it. Obviously, I was gonna make some food. I did some breakfast stuff and some burgers and some ribs in the pit barrel. The ribs took way longer than I thought they were going to. I wasn't planning for the altitude. I just didn't think about it because I'd never cooked ribs in the mountains. So yeah, they took way longer than I thought. Eventually I had to just get them done. They were a little chewy, but it wasn't a big deal. When you're drunk and you're having ribs, it's like whatever. It's not even a big deal. But we had a good time, so I figured I'd just string a bunch of different clips together, try to kind of, you know, organize it as best as possible and show you guys. So hopefully you can stick through it. So check it out. Here we go. Hey, it's breakfast time. That's Jeremy. He don't like being on camera, but today he's on camera. Y'all ready for this?
backyard barbecue in
There
here.
we go.
Alright, motherfuckers. Nothing. So a long ways to go. Some cherry wood up in that mug.
Cherry wood.
Alright, so these ribs have been on for 3 hours. I'm about to check these. Maybe they're done. We're gonna find out. Just by the bend test. And the altitude does make a difference with these, so. And they still need a little more time just because of the altitude. The fire's not burning as hot as it usually should. I mean, you could eat it, but they're done when they're done.